Chris had his first Atlas adjustment last week, and he has a very, just frankly, exciting story to tell about what happened. So tell us what brought you in, Chris, with your hands, and then what you noticed after the adjustment.
Sure. In 2001, I got in a car accident. A guy bonked me in the rear end, and the car, I had whiplash, whatever. And I'm a manly man, so I don't complain. But I was numb. These two fingers were pretty much numb from that point on. And I have a degree in piano, but I couldn't play because my fingers were numb. So I learned to watch my hands, and I started playing, and I did okay. Not great, but okay. And I nursed it for 15 years. And I was talking to the doctor here, and I said, well, I'd love to have my neck adjusted. And he put me on this machine, and by George, with one adjustment, I came out of that bed, and I thought, well, nothing really feels different. And then about 10 minutes later, I realized that I was feeling things with these fingers, and they're warm, and all the circulation came back. And I got choked up. I started crying because I hadn't felt them in 15 years. So I am eternally grateful. That is what I have to say.
Yeah. And then you played the piano that
I
night.
played the piano that night. I played Tchaikovsky's Piano Concerto in A minor, and then this weekend I practiced the piano for about 8 hours, and then I played Brahms on Sunday, and I played Chopin. This was a good weekend.
No Inagata Divita, but
No.
we'll take that. Okay, great.